Hello my lovelies, and welcome back to the heart of my summertime garden. In today's recipe I'm going to show you how you can spice up one of the most favourite dishes used during our evening summertime barbecues, corn on the cob. This beautiful, delicious dish is called Masala corn on the cob, and it's going to be a favourite amongst all of your friends and family. If you like the recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please do share with friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you loved about this recipe. Right, let's get on with the recipe. The ingredients we need for masala corn on the cob are some fresh corn on the cob, ripe at this time of year. I've got a tomato, lemon, really generous serving of garlic. I've got some shallot onions here, some yogurt, pureed tomatoes, and blended onions. The spices I'm going to be introducing today are the curry leaves. I have some cumin, some pink rock salt, and the 5 spice mix, which consists of mustard seeds. I've got some fennel, and I've got some fenugreek in here. And then lastly, we have turmeric. So let's get these ingredients together. And I'm just going to let that marinate.
I've dried views, here, Todd the Taster here. G's created today corn on the cob masala style. Perfect for the summertime barbecue season. I personally love corn on the cob, and to me there's only one way to eat corn on the cob, and that's with your hands. So let me go to it. Oh, beautiful. Nice little spice around the corn. Very tasty indeed. And that, my friends, is the way you eat corn on the cob. Extra special lesson from me today. If you really want to get stuck in, viewers, get the hands in there, get the masala on top, and get a double serving of it. Beautiful. It's messy, but this is the way you got to go. This is barbecue. This is what we do at the barbecue. Get a bit messy. Perfect barbecue snack. Before you know it, there'll be no corn left, and you'll be asking for more. Thanks, viewers. Hope you enjoyed the session today. From Todd the Taster, signing out.